So an interesting test that we did is we ran 10 towels in every machine. I think this is very important. I think it's important for everybody who's selling top loads. We had 10 towels in every machine. When we took them out, we weighed them. And so, of course, that's going to tell us how much water is left in the towel, okay, or in the group of towels. So what do you think happened? I'm here for LG, I'm talking about it. What do you think happened?
It was the lightest.
LG was the lightest. It wasn't just the lightest, it was significantly lighter. We were 2 to 4 pounds lighter. Now, what's the most expensive appliance to run? The dryer. So what do we want to do?
Less water.
We want to run this thing less, okay? Right. So if I've got 4 pounds of water that I've extracted in my spin cycle, because I've got 950 RPM in this machine, not only do I have 950 RPM, which every customer cares about, but we run our spin cycle longer, which is something that I've learned because I've seen them working. But it's not something you're going to find on spec sheets. Oh, when was the last time a customer came in? Hey there, guys. How long does this machine spin for? It doesn't happen. So that's why I find it's important to sort of relay this information. So, long story short, we save 2 to 4 pounds across the board. That's other brands, high efficiency brands. That's the agitators were even worse. So what that really meant in terms of dryer time is we saved up to 40 minutes of dryer time. Because a lot of these dryers, they're going to have all the sensors and all that stuff, and they're going to dry. So everything's going to dry. They're going to come out across the board dry. The difference is how dry and how long it takes to dry. That's the big difference. So if I say 40 minutes, and it was like 15 to 40 minutes across the board, I just think that's a huge conversation that every single person here can have with every single customer. I mean, if you're saving, again, you're saving, and you're going to see the new dryers are coming out. Like we got 606, the energy ratings. The energy ratings in these are very, very good. But again, that doesn't really account for the time spent in dryer. So it's a conversation. I like conversations that we can have. Like innovations are great. I like conversations we can have with every single customer. And I think that's a conversation. If you have somebody coming in looking for one of these, it's a conversation you can have with every single one of those customers.